A very good morning to all of you. Have a nice and safe day to you all. And ultimately, very warm welcome to another topic of this channel, that is about the development of endosperm. Dear students, in our previous video, we have already discussed about the fertilization. Then what happens after the process of fertilization? The major post fertilization events. It include the prime event after fertilization. The first one is development of endosperm. Development of endosperm. The second event is the development of embryo from diploid zygote. Embryo from zygote. The next event, third event, is development of seed from ovule. Development of seed from ovule. The next event is that is the development of fruit from ovary. Development of fruit from ovary. These are the major events. Okay. Today we will discuss about the process of development of endosperm. What happens after fertilization? After fertilization, inside the embryo sac there is zygote here. This is primary endosperm nucleus. What happens? This primary endosperm nucleus started dividing rapidly to produce food-laden tissues, food-loaded tissues that is used of in growing embryo. Okay, so it is essential. Formation of endosperm is essential for development of embryo. Clear? In angiosperms, it is found that the endosperm is triploid in nature, but in gymnosperm, it is a pre-fertilization. Primary endosperm nucleus in angiosperm and in gymnosperm. Angiosperm, it is post fertilization event. Okay, and it is triploid, but here in gymnosperm it is haploid in nature. Clear? So in both cases the endosperm produces a food loaded tissues that provide the supplement for the development of embryo. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about different types of endosperm. Now come to the topic. There are three different type of endosperm. What are they? Nuclear endosperm, cellular endosperm, fallopian endosperm. Okay, three general type of endosperms are there. Nuclear means nucleus divide repeatedly. Cellular means it the division like a cell, that means karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Fallopian type is found in monocot plants. There is a order, fallopian order in monocot. It is found in monocot plants. Clear? First come to the nuclear endosperm. Suppose this is the primary endosperm nucleus. Zygote is here. Zygote. This is the primary endosperm nucleus. Okay. Embryo sac, inside the embryo sac. What happened? In nuclear endosperm, at first the nucleus started dividing. Nucleus divided. Suppose this is the zygote. Nucleus produces two nucleus. Inside the nucleus, nuclear loss is present. After repeated division, what happens? Multinucleated conditions are found. Large number of nucleus are formed, producing multinucleated condition. No cytokinesis here, multinucleated condition. What happened? There is a centripetal wall formation. That means the wall formation takes place from the periphery. The wall formation takes place from the peripheral zone. How? Like this, the zygote developed producing embryo. These are the cells, cytokinesis takes place. From the peripheral zone, this cell wall formation started. Okay. After one layer, another layer is formed. Okay. Another layer is formed. This is called as centripetal type of cell formation. Okay. It is found in coconut. The white part of coconut is endosperm. After cellularization from the periphery, a vacancy remains at the center. After a long period, the water also dried up, became brown color and converted into seed. Clear? So this is nuclear type of endosperm. Then come to cellular endosperm. What happens in it? In cellular endosperm, normal cell division types. Suppose this is the primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus. What happens? Immediately after formation of primary endosperm nucleus, there is a division of endosperm nucleus along with cell. Transverse division takes place first. Okay. And continuously longitudinal and transverse wall formation immediately after division of nucleus. Nucleus divide producing different type of cell wall formation. Both nuclear and cellular division takes place here. Both karyokinesis and cytokinesis takes place. So it is cellular endosperm. These are individual cell types. Clear? The zygote remain at the anterior microphylar end. Then halobial type. It is another type, the last type of endosperm, which is found in monocot plants. What happens in halobial type? This is the primary endosperm nucleus, zygote. First, the primary endosperm nucleus moved towards chalazal, shifted towards chalazal. It is shifted from this place, it is shifted. Okay. After shifting into chalazal end, nucleus divide followed by a transverse wall formation. Divide followed by transverse wall formation. Okay. There are two cells here, the micropylar cell and another towards chalazal end. The micropylar cell is larger while the chalazal cell is smaller. immediately what happened? Immediately what happened? The micropylar nucleus divide by free nuclear division. Okay, free nuclear division takes place here, producing a number of nucleus, while the chalazal cell remain intact, it do not divide. Okay, so after division of nucleus, it is followed by formation of cell wall, that is nuclear endosperm type of division occurs here, followed by formation of cell wall. Clear? So it is the type of halopial. Halopial is the mixing type. Clear? We can take the example of monocot case, monocot plants, and asphodelus. Asphodelus, take the example of asphodelus here. Clear? So these are three different type of endosperm. Okay, so it is all about endosperm. In the forthcoming video, we will discuss about other topics. Clear? Thank you all.